Where do you live, man? Down by the beach. Where's the guys with no hose? We're right here at the beach with their dog. I don't know about this, Duchess. Maybe we should come up a little higher. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at the color of that. Why? Don't drink it. I wish I had a metal detector with me, feller. Look at that there. I find gold, boy. No, stop drinking that shit. You're thirsty, then let's go. I got you. Let's go. How do I get back over? I'm so scared. Come on, girl. Come on, lassie. I took a dumbass way. Don't come this way. Come whatever way you can. Oh, yeah, look at that. Take a dump right on the beach, bruh. Dump and run. Dump and run. If anybody's ever wondering where their mother's at, she's right there in that hole. I'm just kidding. That was rude. Damn, girl, smelling shit from here. I'm out.